Good day once again. Me and the wifey, Nikki, in the house, in the building.
Hi guys.
Right, Blair's Kitchen.
Yes.
Now today we're going to do a mushroom, a button mushroom, right?
Button mushroom.
Button mushroom pizza. Right? So I want you to stay tuned with us, see what's happening and what's going on, and that's it.
Yes.
Alright, later.
Let's do
Now
this.
here you have what we're going to use for the pizza. Tomato paste and that olive oil and that chopped button mushroom. We're going to use these cherry tomatoes, right, parsley and cilantro, right, sweet peppers we call it in Jamaica, but this is not Jamaica, this is bell peppers, okay. See?
And the garlic.
And the garlic,
Yes.
right? And this is a pre-made dough. Next time we're going to do our own dough and show you from scratch how we do our thing. But just check in and lock in, right? This is the pizza pan, rolling pin. Stay tuned.
Okay, so I personally use oil instead of flour to base the counter, but everybody does it differently. And then I grease the palm of my hand also.
For it not to stick.
Right. So. because I already oil the dough.
Right.
So that you know, the grease is already on that.
Okay.
Yeah. So nice. Okay, so I cheated a little in using stuff that's already bought. Alright, now for the bell peppers. Okay, then the mushrooms. We love mushrooms and garlic, so you guys will sometimes see we overdo it with these. Wow. And now the tomatoes. Even though we use a tomato paste, the fresh tomatoes always gives it a kicks.
Especially these cherry
yeah,
tomatoes.
These cherry tomatoes are delicious. Beautiful. And then I normally just put a little bit more of the olive oil on top. Okay. And now for my parsley, I just sprinkle a little bit over.
For the flavor to pop.
Yes, just for the flavor. It's really, really good, guys. I use a smaller holes, so you'll see me pouring, but it's not a lot. Cilantro.
For that nice smell, aroma.
Nice aroma, nice, just nice all over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That definitely going to give it a kick.
Oh yes. And voila! So now I'm going to preheat the oven on 450 and bake. Sorry. Oh yeah. Okay. So now the oven is ready, and we're going to go in and put it in for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so 20 20 to 25 minutes.
It is coming on real good.
Oh yes. Wow.
It's beautiful. Yeah man, this look real good.
Ready, and it's hot too.
Yeah.
Wow. The bottom is fully cooked.
You have a pizza cutter?
I can't find it.
I'm going to show you can do you know.
We're
You
gonna
want
have
to taste
to,
this?
We're gonna have to do old school and cut it with a knife.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm going in. Delicious and nutritious. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to show support and guidance and protection. Health, strength, wisdom, courage. Take it easy. Enough love.